How to find Binance account address. So basically, if you want to find your Binance account address, because maybe you're talking about your deposit address where you're trying to deposit some kind of crypto and you're not sure what your account address is. It's a very simple concept. Whenever you're trying to transfer money from one bank to another bank, what do you need? The recipient's bank account number and their address. Similar is the case on Binance as well. If you're trying to receive crypto, you need to have a deposit address. Now to find your deposit address, all you have to do is open the Binance app, go to the wallet option from the bottom right. Now here you have to select the option called deposit. Now you have to be very careful here, because if you're trying to deposit or receive Bitcoin, you have to select Bitcoin right here. If you're trying to deposit and receive Ethereum, you have to select Ethereum. It's very clear. You have to be careful on that. So if someone is trying to send you Bitcoin and you want to find your account address, you select Bitcoin right here and you simply choose a network depending upon what the other person would also select. I'll select Bitcoin for the demo, and this right here, this QR code and this address is my deposit address. So if anybody wants to send me BTC, they will have to simply send it to this address. Now if you're trying to receive Ethereum, similarly as I said, you have to simply choose Ethereum from here, USDT, BNB and other options as such. This way you'll be able to find your Binance account address. I hope that this video really helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.